हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में देखेंगे एनटी अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 75 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो के लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे, वहाँ से आप डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। एनटी अभ्यास के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लें। तो यहाँ पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे हम बायो से, देन केमिस्ट्री पे आएंगे, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे आएंगे। अगर इस वीडियो का क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करके VLC मीडिया प्लेयर से चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में चलेगा। उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए लिंक से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट यहाँ बायो का है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैव किडनीज एज दियर एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गेन्स। तो आंसर हमारा बी होगा, साइक्लोस्टोम्स, कॉन्ड्रिक्थिज, ऑस्टिक्थिज एंड एम्फीबियंस। Phylum chordate are divided into three subgroups: Urochordates, Cephalochordates, and Vertebrates. First two subgroups are collectively known as Protochordates. Urochordates have notochord only in the tail region of larva and are covered with a tunic, hence are tunicates. Examples are Scidia, Doliolum, and Salpa. Cephalochordates have notochord from head to tail, and lanceolate belong to this group. Protochordates are different from vertebrates as these do not have well-developed kidneys for excretion. Choose the incorrect statement. A. All protozoans are heterotrophs. B. All protists are autotrophs. आंसर हमारा होगा बी, यानी कि ऑल प्रोटिस्ट आर ऑटोट्रोप्स। से गलत है, क्योंकि प्रोटोजोन्स जो हैं वो भी प्रोटिस्ट में ही आते हैं। पेलिकल इज प्रेजेंट इन इंग्लुआर्स सही है। किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा इंक्लूड्स यूनिसेलुलर यूकैरियोट्स। दिस किंगडम इज अ लिंक बिटवीन प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड अदर मल्टीसेलुलर यूकैरियोट्स, plants, animals, and fungi. And some organisms show features similar to all the three groups. Plant-like protists are autotrophs, and these include cryophytes and dinoflagellates. Animal and fungi-like protists are heterotrophs, and these include slime mold and protozoans and eugulina. Eugulinoids do not have a cell wall and instead has a pellicle which makes body flexible. Identify the amino acid represented in the diagram given below. Answer A. Glycine. Amino acids are substituted methanes as these consist of four bonds. These are carboxyl group, amino group, hydrogen, and variable R group. Since the carbon in amino acids have four different bonds, it is considered as chiral carbon, and such amino acids are optically active. Amino acids are mostly levorotatory. The given structure has the variable functional R group H, and hence it is glycine amino acid. The main collecting duct of the lymphatic system, the thoracic duct, receives lymph from the answer D, left side of the heart, neck, chest, left upper extremity, and the entire body below the ribs. As the blood passes through the capillaries, some amount of it oozes out in the surrounding tissues. This is known as tissue fluid or interstitial fluid. When this fluid enters the lymphatic system, it is known as lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid as it lacks hemoglobin. It contains cells known as lymphocytes, which is important for immune system. The lymphatic system consists of lymphatic capillaries, nodes, vessels, and ducts. The lymphatic capillaries join to form lymphatic vessels. Large lymphatic vessels finally pour into one of the two principal vessels, thoracic duct of right lymphatic duct, thoracic duct or right lymphatic duct. The thoracic duct receives lymph from the entire left side of the body. Trachea is a straight tube extending up to the mid-thoracic cavity, which divides into right and left bronchi at the level of answer C, fifth thoracic vertebra. Human respiratory system consists of external nostril, nasal chamber, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. Pharynx opens into trachea through larynx. Trachea is a straight tube in the thoracic cavity, and at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra, it divides into right and left bronchi, which enters the respective lung. The region at which the division takes place is known as carina. Primary bronchi, when enters the lung, further divides into secondary and tertiary bronchi, which then forms bronchioles, which further extends as alveoli. alveoli. Contractile vacuoles play important role in excretion. In answer D, both A and B. The endomembrane system in eukaryotes consists of endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles as their functions are coordinated. The vacuole is membrane-bound space and it consists of sap water excretory product. It has a single membrane called as tonoplast. These vacuoles are called as contractile vacuole in amoeba and paramecium. This is useful for excretion. In Whitaker five kingdom system, the viruses are given in place in answer D. They do not have any place in five kingdom system. Whitaker has given the famous five kingdom classification. According to this classification, the five kingdoms are kingdom Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. These kingdoms are divided on the basis of number of cells, cell type, cell wall, mode of nutrition, and ecological role. All these are characters of living cell. Viruses did not get any place in this kingdom because these are not considered as true living. Viruses do not have cell organelle and hence do not carry metabolism and cannot exist independently. These characters define them as non-living and hence Whitaker did not include them in his classification. Which of the following conditions are correct? प्रोसेस वी मैक्स वैल्यू और के एम वैल्यू. तो आंसर यहाँ बी होगा, यानी नॉन कॉम्पिटेटिव इनहिबिशन का वी मैक्स वैल्यू जो हो डिक्रीज करेगा और के एम वैल्यू रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट होते हैं. Any substance that can diminish the velocity of the enzyme is known as inhibitor. The type of inhibition are competitive, non-competitive, and allosteric inhibition. In competitive inhibition, the enzyme and inhibitor competes to bind to the same active site. Hence, if substrate concentration is increased, the chances of substrate binding to the enzyme will increase. Thus, if S increases, Km Michaelis constant also increases. In non-competitive inhibition, the substrate and inhibitor binds at different sites and hence do not compete with each other. This cannot be reversed by increasing the substrate concentration and hence Km remains constant. This velocity of reaction also decreases. A patient's blood report reads eosinophilia. He must be suffering from answer C, an allergy of some kind. Blood consists of plasma and cellular components. Cellular components include erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. Leukocytes can be granulocytes and agranulocytes depending on presence and absence of granules. Granulocytes include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Agranulocytes include monocytes and lymphocytes. Each type of leukocyte has its own function and is important for our body. Neutrophils and monocytes bring about phagocytosis. Basophils are important during inflammation. Eosinophils are associated with allergic reactions. Lymphocytes are important for the immunity of the body. Each of the following statements has two blanks. Mark the statement in which both the blanks cannot be filled with the same data. Answer D. High PCO2 shifts the oxygen dissociation curve to the dash and high pH shift to the oxygen dissociation curve to the dash. तो यहाँ पे explanation होगा. The concentration of diaphragm causes increase in the volume of thorax and the contraction of external intercostal muscle causes increase in the volume of thorax. PO2 in deoxygenated blood is 40 mmHg and PCO2 is oxygenated blood in 40 mmHg. About 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide is carried by hemoglobin as carb-aminohemoglobin and solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than the oxygen. High PCO2 is seen at the tissue which causes the shift of dissociation curve to right. High pH means low H plus, which is seen near the alveoli. This causes the shift of oxygen dissociation to the left. तो यहाँ पे जो है डी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे कह रहा था कि कैनॉट बी फील्ड विद द सेम डाटा। तो यहाँ पे है हाई पी सी ओ टू शिफ्ट द ऑक्सीजन डिसोसिएशन कर्व टू द राइट, यहाँ पे होगा टू द राइट, एंड हाई पी शिफ्ट द ऑक्सीजन डिसोसिएशन कर्व टू द लेफ्ट होगा। सो यहाँ पे जो होगा दोनों डिफरेंट हो गया, बाकी ए बी और सी में सारे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है वो सेम होंगे। यानी कि द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ डायफ्राम काउजेज इंक्रीज इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेक्स एंड द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इंटरकोस्टल मसल काउजेज इंक्रीज इन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ थोरेक्स, दोनों यहाँ पे इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे। बी यहाँ पे है PO2 इज ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इज 40 mmHg एंड PCO2 इन ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड इज 40 mmHg, तो यहाँ पे दोनों 40 होंगे। और सी में यहाँ पे है अबाउट 20 to 25% ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज कैरिड बाई हीमोग्लोबिन एज कार्ब एमिनो हेमोग्लोबिन एंड सोलबिलिटी ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज 20 to 25% टाइम्स 20-25 टाइम्स हायर दैन द ऑक्सीजन। तो ए बी सी में सारे सेम फील होंगे, लेकिन डी में डिफरेंट डेटा फील होंगे। ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, जरूर अलग से नोट करके रखें। An example of syncytium is answer C. Liquid endosperm in coconut. Syncytium means together or fused. It is multinucleate cell formed by formation of uninucleate cells. This is seen in plants too. Coconut contains liquid known as liquid endosperm. It is formed by free nuclear divisions without undergoing cytoplasmic division. Hence, it is multinucleate or syncytium. The proteins alter other normal proteins within the living cells are termed as answer C. Prions. Viruses, viroids, and prions are acellular organisms and hence did not find a place in famous Whittaker 5 kingdom classification. Viruses do not have organelles and hence no metabolism and also requires a host for its survival. Prions are also acellular and consist of just protein structure folded variously. These proteins can alter normal proteins in the brain and can cause various neurological infections like BSc, bovine spongiosum encephalopathy, also known as mad cow disease, and CJT यानी Jacob disease. Viroids lack protein coat. Which of the following is incorrect about glycogen? Answer D. It is a good reducing agent. एक गलत है, बाकी A B C सही है। It is a stored form of glucose in animals. In glycogen, right end is reducing and left end is non-reducing. It is a branched polymer of glucose. Carbohydrates are hydrates of carbon. These are classified as monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Polysaccharides can be homopolysaccharides if these are made up of same sugar unit, and are heteropolysaccharides if these have more than one sugar unit. Examples of homopolysaccharides are starch, glycogen, cellulose, chitin, etc. Glycogen is made up of many glucose units. It is the stored form of sugar in animals and hence is also known as animal starch. In the structure, the right end is known as reducing end and the left end is non-reducing end. Reducing sugars have free aldehyde or ketone group, while non-reducing sugars have no free group. Glycogen have no free groups and hence are reducing sugars. The fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane was proposed by answer C. Singer and Nicholson. In eukaryotes, the cell membrane is explained by fluid mosaic model by explained as fluid mosaic model by Sleden and Swine. According to एक minute, the fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane was proposed by Singer and Nicholson. ओके तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा मिस्टेक है। इन यूकैरियोट्स द सेल मेम्ब्रेन इज एक्सप्लेन्ड एज फ्लूइड मोजाइक मॉडल बाय सिंगर एंड निकोलसन। According to this model, the plasma membrane is made up of lipid and proteins. The lipids are arranged on a bilayer. The lipids present are phospholipids. These are arranged in such a way that The polar heads are towards the outer side and hydrophobic ends are towards the inner side. The ratio of proteins and lipids are different in different cell types. In humans, it is around 40. It is it is seen that around 40% lipid, यानी 40, ऐसा याद रखें 40 में एल आई आ रहा है 40, तो लिपिड हो गए, एल आई लिपिड, एंड 50 और बाकी जो बच गया 52% प्रोटीन. This was explained as fluid mosaic model. This explains that the quasi-fluid nature of lipid causes the movement of proteins throughout the bilayer structure. This is termed as fluidity. The complex formed by a pair of synapse chromosome is called answer B bivalent. Prophase 1 of meiosis 1 shows presence of homologous chromosomes that start pairing together. This forms a complex known as synaptonemal complex. This formation takes place during zygote stage of prophase 1. This consists of a pair of chromosomes with four chromatids, and this is known as bivalent or tetrad. The crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatids or bivalent in next stage. Insulin cannot be orally administered to a diabetic patient because answer C, it is a proteinaceous. Insulin is a hormone secreted by beta cells of Langerhans, beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas. Its main function is to transport glucose from blood to the cells. In some individuals, the gland is not able to secrete sufficient amounts of insulin, as a result of which the cellular uptake of glucose is affected. This is known as insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus. In such individuals, artificial insulin is given so that the cells do not starve of glucose. This cannot be given orally as insulin is proteinaceous in nature. Being a protein, it is easily digestible in stomach due to enzyme pepsin, and in a small intestine due to trypsin and dipeptidases. Thus, insulin breaks before entering the bloodstream, and this makes it ineffective. Which one of the following statements is true regarding digestion and absorption of food in humans? Answer D. Fructose and amino acids are absorbed through intestinal mucosa with the help of carrier ions like sodium plus. A stomach consists of many gastric glands which contain many groups of cells, peptic cells or chief cells that secrete inactive pepsinogen. Augenic cells are parietal cysts that secrete HCl and intrinsic factor. Mucous cells that secrete mucus are different groups of cells. Digestion of carbohydrates begin in the mouth. 30% starch is digested and converted into maltose by salivary amylase enzyme. Absorption of digested food takes place through intestine. Absorption of fatty acids and glycerol do not directly enter the bloodstream, and these are insoluble in water. The first these first enter the lacteals and then the blood stream. When these are getting absorbed from intestinal lumen into mucosal layer, mycelial formation takes place. Later, fat globules chylomicrons help them to get absorbed from mucosa into the lacteals. Fructose or amino acids are directly absorbed with the help of carrier ions Na+. Juxtaglomerular apparatus is formed by answer D. Cellular modification in the distal convoluted tubule and the afferent arteriole at the location of their contact. The juxtaglomerular apparatus is a specialized structure seen in the kidneys. It is present near the glomerulus. Uh, Juxta means near. These are modified cells at the junction of distal convoluted tubule and afferent arteriole. This apparatus is responsible for regulating the blood pressure and filtration rate of glomerulus. A middle-aged woman visits a doctor complaining of irregular menses, weight loss, and recurrent diarrhea. On testing, a certain hormone comes out to be elevated. On questioning why she is experiencing such symptoms, the doctor informs that the hormone which is elevated regulates the basal metabolic rate and also water and electrolyte imbalance, which in turn affects the menstrual cycle. Which hormone is the doctor talking about? Answer D. Thyroid hormone. Thyroid gland synthesizes two hormones, thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. Under the influence of TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, thyroid hormones regulate basal metabolic rate. These hormones also support the process of red blood cell formation. Thyroid hormone control the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and maintain water and electrolyte balance. Abnormal high levels of hormone leads to the condition called hyperthyroidism, which affects the body physiology. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to bone and its associated part? Answer A. Atlas vertebra odontoid process. बाकी बी सी डी सही है. पेक्टोरल गटर एक्रोमियन प्रोसेस, ह्यूमरस ट्रोकिलिया और ulna osteoid process. First cervical vertebrae is atlas and second cervical vertebrae is axis. Both are atypical, which means have special characteristic feature. Atlas lack a body and a spinous process. Axis has dense or odontoid process. Pectoral girdle consists of a scapula and clavicle. A scapula or shoulder blade has acromion process which attaches with clavicle. Humerus is the bone of arm and has trochlear process. Radius and ulna are bones of forearm. Ulna has styloid process at the distal end of forearm. During which phase of the cell cycle the amount of DNA in a cell remains at 4C level if the initial amount is denoted as 2 carbon. Answer C, only G2. Cell cycle consists of interphase and mitotic phase. Interphase is divided into G1, S, G2 stages. Mitotic phase is the actual division phase and is divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. DNA is seen in the all phases. In M phase, both 4C and 2C of DNA is seen. In S phase, the synthesis of DNA takes place and hence the amount of DNA doubles. Thus, after S phase in G2 phase, the DNA doubles, that is, it becomes 4C. The colored part of the eye, which controls the amount of light entering the eye, is a modified part of the answer C, choroid. Human eye is made up of three layers. Outer layer is fibrous layer that consists of sclera and cornea. The middle layer consists of choroid, which continues as ciliary apparatus. The innermost layer is known as retina. Choroid is the main vascular layer of the eye. The main function of this is to prevent scattering of light that enters the eye so that the light can focus on the posterior portion to form clear images. It is also the colored portion of the eye as it is bluish in color due to presence of pigment cells. Which of the following structure is are not present in male genital part of the cockroach? First is ejaculatory duct, second vas differentia, third seminal vesicle, fourth vestibulum and fifth phallomere. आंसर सी ओनली फोर यानी वेस्टिबुलम नहीं होते हैं. The male reproductive system of cockroach consists of pair of testes, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, phallic duct and external genitalia. The genital pouch of female cockroach is made up of two parts, the anterior small part and posterior large part. Anterior part is known as genital chamber and posterior part is known as oothecal chamber or vestibulum. Okay. Rina was experiencing headache and dizziness for the last few days. When visited a clinic, the doctor informed that her blood pressure is high. Which of the following hormone will be secreted in the body to reduce the blood pressure? First, aldosterone, second, cortisol, third, atrial natriuretic factor, or fourth, erythropoietin. Answer D 1 and 3, यानी aldosterone or atrial natriuretic factor. Atrial natriuretic factor is released by atrial walls of the heart in response to high blood pressure. It dilates the blood vessels, thus resulting in reducing blood pressure. Aldosterone is a mineralocorticoid secreted by adrenal cortex. It reabsorbs water and sodium by acting on renal tubules, thus maintaining body fluid volume and blood pressure. In sarcomere, the H zone is paler than the rest of A band because it consists of answer A only myosin filaments. Explanation: skeletal muscles are different from visceral muscles as these muscles show striations and are voluntary in nature. These are made up of many bundles known as fasciculi. Each bundles each bundle has many muscle fiber, which in turn has many myofibrils. Each myofibril consists of repeating units called as sarcomere. This is the main functional unit of contraction and relaxation of muscles. One sarcomere is the portion between two Z lines. Z lines bisect the eye or isotropic or light bands. In the center of sarcomere or between the two Z lines, there are present dark bands or anisotropic bands. Hence, Hansen's zone or H zone is also seen in the center, which is demarcated by M line in the middle. Dark band as dark band has both actin and myosin fibers and hence appears dark. Hansen zone has only myosin filaments and hence appears paler. A boy learns typewriting and harmonium at the same time. He finds the harmonium easier to learn. This is answer A, conditioned reflex. Reflexes developed by training and learning are called conditioned or acquired reflexes. For example, after proper learning, we can perform dancing, cycling, swimming, singing, playing, etc. Simply by relaxation. Read the following statements and choose the statements which are incorrect. A. Blood cells secrete fibers of structural proteins called collagen or elastin. B. Neuroglial cells protect and support the nephrons. C. Osteocytes are present in species called lacunae. D. Striated muscle fibers are bundled together in parallel fashion. E. Biceps are involuntary and striated. यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है which the following are incorrect. तो यहाँ पे ए डी और ई इनकरेक्ट होंगे, यानी ब्लड सेल सीक्रेट नहीं करता है. डी यहाँ पे है स्टेट मसल्स फाइबर्स आर बंडल टुगेदर इन पैरेलल फैशन, ये भी गलत है. और ये है बाइसेप्स आर इनवॉल्यूंटरी एंड स्टेटेड, ये हमारा गलत है, वॉलंटरी होते हैं. बाकी हमारे जो बी और सी हैं, न्यूरोग्लियल सेल्स प्रोटेक्ट एंड सपोर्ट द न्यूरॉन्स और ऑस्टियोसाइट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन स्पेसिस कॉल्ड लैकुनी, ये समझ सही है. ओके. Blood is a specialized fluid connective tissue as it lacks fibers. Neuroglial cells are supporting cells of nervous system and forms more than half of total cells in the system. Osteocytes and chondrocytes are present in species known as lacunae, and these are present in the matrix. Lacunae of osteocytes also show presence of canaliculi, which is absent in lacunae of chondrocytes. Striated bundles striated muscle bundles are not in parallel fashion. Biceps are skeletal muscles and hence so striations and are involuntary in function. Match the following column 1 column 2. तो यहाँ P फ्लोरा जो है उसका होगा 2 और 4, यानी provides an index to plant species found in an area, और 4 यानी contains an actual account of habitat and डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ प्लांट ऑफ अ गिवन एरिया. इसका एक ट्रिक भी है, फैक्चुअल याद रखेंगे तो एक्चुअल याद रहेगा, तो जिसमें एक्चुअल रहेंगे वो होगा, तो यानी फ्लोरा फैक्चुअल. मैनुअल्स को मेड याद रखना है, ए में आई डी मेड, तो मेड यानी इंफॉर्मेशन हो जाएंगे. तो और क्यू का फर्स्ट यानी कि मैनुअल्स का होगा फर्स्ट एंड इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ नेम्स और स्पेसिस फाउंड इन एन एरिया. और आर का होगा यानी मोनोग्राफ का होगा थर्ड, यानी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वन टैक्सोन. टैक्सोनॉमी इज स्टडी ऑफ आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स. टैक्सोनॉमिक एड्स help to store and preserve these organisms. These aids are herbarium, botanical gardens, museum, zoological parks and keys. Manuals, monographs, flora and catalogs. Flora means information of distribution of plants in a given area. Manuals have information for identification of names of species found in an area. Monographs have taxon information. Identify the incorrect character related to the human female reproductive system. Answer D. Ovulation occurs during the pregnancy period as well. आंसर यहाँ डी जो है वो हमारा इनकरेक्ट है. ओके, बाकी ये भी चीज़ सही है. menstruation lasts for 3 to 5 days. Menstruation is repeated at an average interval of about 20 to 28 to 29 days. और सी यहाँ पे है menopause occurs around 50 years of age. Menstrual cycle is reproductive cycle in females. The word mesham means 1 month. Hence, this cycle is repeated every month. The average interval being 28 to 29 days. Uh, this cycle prepares the uterus every month to receive the fertilized product. But if the zygote does not arrive, the endometrial lining along the ovum sheds and reforms for the next cycle. This continues every month till menopause is reached. Menopause is a stoppage of cycle which is seen as the age of 45 to 52 years. This marks the end of fertility period in females. During menstrual cycles, changes are seen in ovary and uterus simultaneously. This cycle begins with menstrual or bleeding phase which lasts for 3 to 5 days. The mid of cycle approximately shows ovulation, that is release of ovum from the ovary into the oviduct, and here the ovum waits for the sperm to arrive. If a sperm arrives, fertilization might take place and this zygote will then be implanted in the uterus. If a sperm does not arrive, the ovum will degenerate and will be out through menstruation. Implantation marks the beginning of pregnancy, which means zygote will develop for 9 months inside the uterus in humans. During this period, menstruation is not possible as endometrium shedding will cause embryo to shed too. Thus, ovulation also does not take place during entire pregnancy. Which of the following will occur in the vertebrate host with respect to Plasmodium? A. Formation of motile zygote. B. Maturation of gametocytes. C. Formation of sporozoites. Release of hemojoin और recurrent fever. यहाँ पे वर्टिब्रेट कर रहा है यानी ह्यूमंस होस्ट में कर रहा है. प्लाज्मोडियम जो है मलेरिया कॉज करता है. तो वर्टिब्रेट हो गए ह्यूमंस और इनवर्टिब्रेट हो गया मॉस्किटो. तो जो वर्टिब्रेट ह्यूमन जो में जो कॉज होते हैं वो डी और ई होते हैं, यानी कि रिलीज ऑफ हीमोज्वाइन और रिकरेंट फीवर कॉज करते हैं. Plasmodium causes malaria. It requires two hosts, man and mosquito, to complete the cycle. Sporozoites are infectious agents of malarial parasites. When female mosquito bites the human, these enter the bloodstream inside the body. Uh, these have an erythrocytic and exoerythrocytic cycle. When in human body, the infectious agent undergoes many developmental stages. Asexual reproduction. It also produces toxin known as hemojoin inside the body, and this is responsible for various symptoms like fever, chills, etc. When healthy mosquito bites such an infected human, these agents enter the mosquito's body and starts its sexual reproduction, which transforms into various forms and reside in salivary gland. This healthy mosquito is now an infected one, and if this again bites any human, the same cycle continues. Choose the right one among the statements given below. Answer B. IUDs increases phagocytosis reaction in the uterus. IUDs are intrauterine devices. As the word suggests, these are inserted in the uterus. The main difference between barrier method like condoms and IUDs are the IUDs are inserted by a medical practitioner and condoms are self-used. The main function of these devices are to kill the sperms so that they do not reach the oviduct. These suppress the endometrium lining too, so that implantation is also avoided. Examples are copper T, Lipis loop, hormonal IUDs, etc. They can later be removed with the help of professional or medical expert. Physiological barrier that prevents microbial growth exclude आंसर है म्यूकस इन यूरोजेनाइटल ट्रैक्ट. बाकी 20 CD जो है इंक्लूड करते हैं फिजियोलॉजिकल बैरियर में. एसिड इन स्टोमक, सलाइवा इन माउथ और टीयर्स इन आइज. Barriers important that prevent microbes to enter are physiological barriers, chemical barriers, and cellular barriers. These are anatomical barriers. These form the important first line of defense. These provide innate immunity. These include saliva, tears, gastric juice, trypsin, sebum, lactoferrin, etc. In human, placental villi are derived from answer A. Chorion. Placenta is a temporary organ which is formed during pregnancy inside the uterus. It is feto-maternal in origin. The fetal part is chorionic villi and maternal part is decidua bacillus. These chorionic villi are also known as placental villi and are responsible for maximum contact with the maternal blood. These receive blood from umbilical arteries. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of nematodes? Answer D. They are always endoparasite. Is not characteristic. बाकी A, B, C जो है characteristic features हैं. Sexes are separate. Alimentary canal is complete और bilateral symmetry. Nematodes belongs to phylum Aschelminthes. The main distinguishing feature is that sexes are separate. These are known as roundworm as they show presence of body cavity. These show well presence of organ system and hence digestive system is also complete. These can be free living or parasitic in nature. The parasites can be in ectoparasite or endoparasites depending on whether they are on the host or inside the host. In Basidiomycete is the site for meiosis is answer A. Basidium. Kingdom fungi is divided into four classes depending upon mode of spore and fruiting bodies, formation and morphology of mycelium. These are class Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Basidiomycetes are club fungi as they have a club-shaped organ known as basidium. This structure bears a spore on the outside of the body and thus differ from ascus in Ascomycetes which bear a spore inside. This structure is diploid and is the site of karyogamy and meiosis. Mushroom belong to the class this class. और इसी फंजाई पर एक क्वेश्चन भी हमने पूछा था पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. तो मैंने पूछा था कि अगर इसका जवाब बताएंगे तो आपको अगले वीडियो में नाम लिया जाएगा. तो वो मेडिकल डायमंड करके कोई हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं, उन्होंने जो है सही जवाब दिया था. ओके, तो आगे चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. If the menstrual cycle of a female is 28 days, what will be the time period of periodic abstinence avoiding of sex as a natural method of contraception? Answer D. 10th to 17th day of menstrual cycle. Contraception is avoidance of pregnancy. These include natural methods, barrier methods, intrauterine devices, chemical methods, surgical methods, and implants. Natural method is like periodic abstinence, lactational amenorrhea, and coitus interruptus prevent mating of sperm and ovum. Though chances are less effective, these methods are popular among couples. Periodic abstinence means periodic avoidance of sex during fertility period. Female is very fertile during her ovulation days, which is calculated as total number of days of menstrual cycle. 40 days of secretory phase. Hence, the menstrual cycle is of 28 days, and hence ovulation day is 28 minus 14 equal to 14. That is 14th day of the ovulation day. This means ovum is in the oviduct, and hence chances of fertilization if the sperm enters is the maximum. Thus, one should avoid coitus during this period just to be on the safer side. 2 or 3 days before and after ovulation is also considered as a period to avoid sexual intercourse. Select the incorrect statements about external fertilization. Answer A. organism showing external fertilization produce a large number of male gametes only, तो ये में गलत हो गया, जो है मेल और फीमेल गैमेट्स दोनों लार्ज अमाउंट में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। बाकी बी सी डी सही है। एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन इज वेरी अनसर्टेन and requires synchrony between release of male and female gametes. It is replaced by internal fertilization in higher organism as it wastes energy and requires external medium like water. It occurs in most of the fishes and amphibians. Okay, explanation. External fertilization means male sperm fertilizes the female ovum outside the body. This requires water as medium so that sperms can swim and reach the ovum. Release of gamete is known as spawning. The male challenge is timing of the release of gametes as this should be at the same time. The next important factor is that before the gametes fuse with each other, environmental factors can destroy them. Hence, the gametes are produced in large quantities, which causes wasting too. This type of fertilization is most common in fishes and amphibians. A factory worker has been dealing with severe internal bleeding, muscular pain, and blockage of the intestine along with a high fever. While explaining these symptoms to the doctor, the man also mentions that he had a tendency of consuming vegetables without washing them. Which of the following parasites is responsible for the disease? Answer B, Ascaris. तो केस बेस्ड भी क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे हैं इस टेस्ट में। Ascaris, the common roundworm, and Vaucheria, the filarial worm, are some of the helminthes which are known to be pathogenic to man. Ascaris, an intestinal parasite, causes scariasis. Symptoms of these disease include internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, and blockage of the intestinal passage. The eggs of the parasite are excreted along the passage of the infected persons, which contaminate soil, water, plants, etc. A healthy person acquires this infection through contaminated water, vegetables, fruits, etc. Which of the following cannot be taken as the character function of the Sertoli cell? तो यहाँ ए सी और डी जो है वो सारे करेक्टर हैं। रिलीज ऑफ एबीपी और नरिशमेंट टू द स्पर्मेटिड्स और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लड टेस्टिस बैरियर। और जो बी है हमारा कंट्रीब्यूट टू द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ सीमेन, ये हमारा गलत है। सर्टोली सेल्स आर नर्स सेल्स और sustentacular cells present in the testes. These are present in between the spermatogonia. These cells are nurse cells as they provide nourishment to the developing sperms. Apart from this, they have many other functions. These cells also bring about release of androgen binding protein ABP, which binds with the testosterone. These cells also form the blood testis barrier that helps to maintain luminal environment for a sperm production. Semen is a mixture of sperms and secretions of accessory glands. Sertoli cells also Sertoli cells do not contribute to the formation of semen. In a dicot root, vascular cambium is answer C, completely secondary. Dicot plants are subgroup of the division angiosperm which have two cotyledons or embryonic leaves in their seeds. Meristem are a type of tissue found in such plants which can divide indefinitely. These are generally considered undifferentiated as they can give developed into all other tissues and organs of the plant. The meristematic tissue that appear early in plant life and help in formation of plant body is called primary meristem. The apical and intercalary meristem are included in it. The meristematic tissue occurring between the mature regions of root and shoots of angiosperms are called secondary meristem. These are generally formed by de-differentiation of the permanent tissue. The vascular cambium tissues found within the vascular tissue like xylem and phloem are secondary meristem which help in lateral growth of the plant, helping in increasing the girth of the root or shoot. Why is viviparity as an undesirable character for animal crop plants. Answer D. The seeds cannot be stored under normal conditions for the next season. Vivipary is the process where the seeds formed germinate while being attached with the parent plant body of the fruit. In this process, the seed has turned into a plantling and growing to be a plant while being attached to the parent plant or within the fruit itself. It is commonly observed in tomato, mangroves, such a process occurring with the when the condition for the seed germination is favorable. Annual crop plants are those groups that produce for only one growing season. For the next season, the seeds of the plant are stored. If such plants slow it's if such plants slow so vivipary, then it will यहाँ पे स्लो नहीं होगा सो होगा सो vivipary, then it will be not feasible to store seeds as the seeds have already germinated. They cannot be used for next season. If the number of chromosomes present in the egg of gymnosperm plant is 10, then the number of chromosomes present in the endosperm of the same plant is answer C 10. Endosperm is a tissue formed before the fertilization occurs and is developed from the ovule during the development of the megaspore in gymnosperms. This tissue surrounds the developing embryo and provides nourishment to it. As it is its function, the endosperm is in gymnosperm is haploid, unlike in angiosperm where it is triploid as the endosperm develops from the haploid female gametophyte. The chromosome number of endosperm in gymnosperm will be same as that of the egg. Match the following column. ओके, फर्स्ट Mg2 प्लस का फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक क्लोरोफिल में होते हैं. सेकंड है यहाँ पे फॉस्फोरस, एटीपी में आते हैं. एडेनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट तो फॉस्फोरस आ जाएंगे. थर्ड का थर्ड होगा यानी कि जिंक का अल्कोहल डिहाइड्रोजनेज में होता है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हमेशा पूछ चुका है. और मोलिब्डेनम होते हैं नाइट्रोजनेज में. तो सेम टू सेम है, वन का वन, टू का टू, थ्री का थ्री और फोर का फोर. Chlorophyll is the green color pigment found in the photosynthetic organisms. This pigment is responsible for absorbing the light energy and convert into chemical energy to be used in making glucose. The general structure of chlorophyll consists of a chlorine ring with Mg2 plus ion surrounded by four nitrogen atoms in the central part of the ring. The ring is attached to several side chains and long hydrocarbon tail. Adenosine triphosphate ATP, that is ATP is energy molecule required for regulating various metabolic processes. ATP is a nucleoside triphosphate having adenine as nitrogen base, ribose sugar and three phosphate groups. These phosphates have phosphorus as the core element. Alcohol dehydrogenase is a type of enzyme that facilitates interconversion between alcohol and aldehydes or ketones by reducing NAD to NADH. These enzymes are known to contain zinc, which plays a structural role and significant for the stability of the protein. Nitrogenase enzymes are responsible for converting nitrogen to ammonia by reduction. It contains molybdenum required for the proper activity of the enzyme in catalyzing the reaction. Find out the correct order of vegetative propagules in following plants respectively. पोटैटो, जिंजर, ब्रायोफाइलम और वाटर हाइसिंथ. आंसर हमारा होगा सी, यानी कि पोटैटो जो है वो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपेगुल्स का आई है, उसके बाद जिंजर का राइजोम, ब्रायोफाइलम का लीफ बर्ड्स और ऑफसेट का वाटर हाइसिंथ है. ओके, तो एक क्वेश्चन इजी था, आगे बढ़ते हैं. During photosynthesis, the oxygen from CO2 is incorporated into answer C, carbohydrates. The general word formula for photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. In presence of light and chlorophyll, the whole photosynthesis process is divided into two broad parts. Light reaction, where the light energy is used to generate ATP and NADPH2, which is later used in dark reaction to reduce carbon dioxide into glucose carbohydrate molecule. The free oxygen released as a byproduct in the photosynthesis occurs by splitting water. The oxygen of the carbon dioxide is used in making the glucose molecule through the Calvin cycle. In Krebs cycle, the FAD participates as an electron acceptor during the conversion of answer D succinic acid to fumaric acid. Krebs cycle is the aerobic process of respiration occurring in the mitochondria which helps in releasing stored energy into uh, energy via oxidation of acetyl CoA. Other than helping in obtaining energy, this cycle also generates precursors to certain amino acids. One of the step in the cycle is the formation of fumaric acid from succinic acid by oxidation process catalyzed by succinate dehydrogenase enzyme. During this step, FAD is reduced to FADH2, which later participates in the electron transport system to generate ATP. In the step of oxidative decarboxylation of alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl CoA, NADH2 is formed. What will be the direction of movement of water when solution X having water potential of minus 12 bars and another solution Z of minus 8 bars is separated by a semi-permeable membrane? Answer A, Z2X. Explanation. By definition, water potential is the potential energy of water per unit volume relative to pure water in reference conditions. Thus, water will move from a higher water potential region to the lower potential region through the semi-permeable membrane in the given two solutions. Z with minus 8 bars has higher water potential than solution X with minus 12 bars. Hence, water movement will be from solution Z to X flowing along the concentration gradient via semi-permeable membrane. Biosphere reserves are different from national park as answer B. Humans are an integral part of biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves are multi-purpose protected areas which are meant for preserving genetic diversity in representative ecosystem of various natural biomes and unique biological communities by protecting wild populations, traditional lifestyle of tribals and domesticated plant and animal genetic resources. Humans are integral part of biosphere reserves but not of the national parks. The plasmid PUC derives its name from answer C, the place it was discovered at. PUC is a group of plasmid cloning vectors utilized profusely in the recombinant DNA technology. It is also used as a model plasmid for research studies. The name PUC is derived from the P as the general prefix for plasmid and UC represents the University of California where the plasmid was discovered and work was done on it. If 20 kilojoule energy is available at the producer level, then how much energy will be transferred to the line if the food chain producer? Then dear, then line. Answer A, 0.2 kilojoule. As per the 10% energy transfer law introduced by Landman, during the transfer of energy from organic food from one trophic level to the next, only about 10% of the energy from organic matter is stored as flesh. In a typical food chain, only 10% of the energy is passed to the next consumer in the unidirectional manner. Since producer has 20 kilojoule, the deer will have 2 kilojoule, hence the lion will only get 0.2 kilojoule. Which plant is generally called terror of Bengal? Answer B. Ecornia crassipes. Ecornia crassipes, commonly known as water hyacinth, is considered the terror of Bengal as it grows at a rapid rate over the surface of water. This plant was introduced in Bengal because cause of its beautiful flowers and leaf shape. although it turned out to be a weed which drained the oxygen from water bodies, leading to destruction of fish stock. In Bengal, it is called a blue devil, and in rest part of India, it is known as terror of Bengal. Valsneria is a group of freshwater aquatic submerged plant, commonly called as eel grass, and spreads by runners in water, forming underwater meadows. Hydrilla is a submerged aquatic plant native to Africa and Europe. Oparin's theory of chemical evolution was written in the book Answers the Origin of Life. Alexander Oparin, a biochemist, put forth the theory of abiogenesis in his famous book Origin of Life. He theorized that life on Earth originated gradually from chemical evolution and carbon based molecules in a primordial soup. In simpler terms, life originated from non living things via gradual reactions and increasing complexity resulting in formation of cell membranes and cell. Origin of species by natural selection was written by Charles Darwin, who gave the theory of evolution, and philosophy geologic was written by Lamarck, who gave theory of inheritance of acquired characteristics. Theodosius Dobzhinsky wrote the book Genetics and Origin of Species. Baculovirus-based insecticide has been found to eliminate cancer in arthropods. Baculovirus are group of pathogens that infect and kill many insects and arthropods. These viruses belong to the virus genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus. These have excellent insecticidal application due to their narrow spectrum and being species specific. They do not show any negative impact on plants and other animal groups. It has been used as insecticidal for cotton plantation. Which of the following proteins help in holding DNA together in eukaryotes? Answer D. Histone proteins. DNA is the genetic material which contains the gene for the cell regulation and activity. DNA is made of the long chain nucleotides which is made of the three components deoxyribose sugar, N nitrogen base and the phosphate group. The DNA has negative charge due to the phosphate backbone which is negatively charged. In prokaryotes, the DNA structure is stabilized and held together by the positively charged proteins which neutralize the charge also. The region of DNA held with the proteins in prokaryotes is called as nucleoid. Histone proteins are found to hold the DNA and help in it folding in the eukaryotic cells. The interdependent evolution of flowering plants and pollinating insects together is known as answer B co-evolution. When two different species reciprocally affect other, developing a mutualistically beneficial relationship and cause evolution is called as co-evolution. This generally occurs when the two participating species have close ecological interactions. Classic example being that of fig plant and wasp, where the fig provides egg-laying site for the insect and in return the insect helps in pollination. When closely placed genes on the same chromosomes are inherited together, the phenomenon is known as linkage. Seeds offer several advantages to angiosperms. One of them is that seed formation is more dependable. This is because answer D, reproductive processes such as pollination and fertilization are independent of water. The fertilized mature ovule containing the embryo surrounded by layer of hard coat is generally called as seed. Seed has hard covering layers called seed coat that protect the embryo from unfavorable conditions. The seed provides lot of advantage to the angiosperm as it shows adaptive strategies for being dispersed to new region. Seed can sustain in harsh environment and maintain dormancy of the embryo. Also, seed formation is dependable as fertilization and pollination process are not dependent on water anymore. Correct sequence of evolution and release of new cultivars is answer C, second, first and third. यानी सबसे पहले सेकंड होगा यानी ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स इन रिसर्च फील्ड अंडर कंट्रोल कंडीशंस, उसके बाद फर्स्ट यानी ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स इन नेचुरल फील्ड्स इन डिफरेंट एग्रो क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स, और उसके बाद थर्ड रिलीज ऑफ इम्प्रूव्ड वेराइटी अंडर अ न्यू नेम. Cultivars are plant varieties that have been obtained by selective breeding of plants. Plant breeding is a method to develop improved variety of crops. This is done in a stepwise manner. First, the cultivar is grown in research field to record their performance under normal agriculture practices. This step is followed by growing the new crop in the farming field to check for qualities in different agroclimatic conditions. At the end of the new tested variety is released with a new name in the market. What is true about cuticle in plants? Answer D, both A and C. यानी कि it is always associated with epidermal cell or cuticle absent in roots. The plant cuticle is an extracellular layer observed over the epidermis of leaves and young shoots of the aerial parts of plants. Its function is to provide protection against the desiccation and external environmental stresses. It is secreted by epidermal tissues having a mix of lipids and hydrocarbon polymers with wax. Cuticle is not synthesized by ground tissue and it is not observed in the root system of the plants but in the aerial part of the plant body. A diagnostic trait for identification of Fabaceous flower is answer D, vexillary activation in corolla. The diagram below shows the three plants with identical leaf surfaces areas. Assuming all other conditions were identical for three plants, which of the plants would likely to photosynthesize slowest and fastest. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में जो है एक्स में 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस डे लाइट, सेकेंड वाई है यानी 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस रेड लाइट, और थर्ड है 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस ग्रीन लाइट जेड. तो आंसर होगा डी, जेड जो है वो स्लोवेस्ट होगा और वाई जो होगा वो फास्टेस्ट होगा. Photosynthesis is the process of using light energy to make glucose. The main component helping in making use of light energy is the pigment chlorophyll. This pigment is green in color, which means it will reflect the green wavelength of visible spectrum. It will not be active in green light as it cannot use it. Chlorophyll is more active in red and blue light, and rate of photosynthesis increases when exposed to such light. In the given arrangement, jade plant will show least speed for photosynthesis due to green light, and Y will show the highest speed due to red light. At X, chlorophyll activity will be low due to very low temperature. What is the meaning of bolting? Answer B, internode elongation just prior to flowering. One of the important hormones as growth regulator in plants is gibberellins. It is a type of promotory hormone. One of the effects of this hormone is the increase in the axis of the stem. This property utilized by horticulturists in inducing flowering by bolting. In bolting, using the gibberellins hormone, the flowering stem is developed by internode elongation before flowering. और आज का क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे पूछते हैं कि जो जिबरेलिन का जो एंटागोनिस्टिक हार्मोन है वो क्या है, कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं. अगले वीडियोज में आपका जो है जो सही बताएंगे उनका नाम लिया जाएगा. ओके, कमेंट जरूर करना, ठीक है. 63 सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है इन्वॉल्व सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स फ्यूजन ऑफ वन लार्ज स्टैटिक मेल गैमेट एंड अ स्मॉलर मोटाइल फीमेल गैमेट. तो ये हमारा गलत है. इसका जो अपोजिट होगा यानी कि लार्ज होते हैं फीमेल गैमेट और स्मॉल होते हैं मेल गैमेट, तब सही होता है, इसलिए फर्स्ट हमारा गलत हो जाएगा. सेकंड कह रहा है इन स्पायरोगैरा फ्यूजिंग गैमेट्स आर नॉन फ्लैजिलेटेड एंड डिसिमिलर इन साइज, ये भी हमारा गलत है. थर्ड यहाँ पे कह रहा है इन इलोथ्रिक्स फ्यूजिंग फ्यूजिंग गैमेट्स आर फ्लैजिलेटेड एंड सिमिलर इन साइज, तो ये हमारा सही होगा। और फोर्थ है इन फ्यूकस द मेल गैमेट इज लार्ज एंड नॉन मोटाइल वेयर एज मेल गैमेट इज स्मॉल एंड मोटाइल, ये हमारा सही होगा। Algae are the simplest plant group showing a thalloid and autotropism. These group mainly found in water follow various methods of reproduction. Sexual, asexual, vegetative. Volvox is a type of colonial algae that follows sexual reproduction. The female gamete in it is large and static, whereas the male one is motile and smaller than female gamete. Similar pattern is observed in fucus. Spirogyra, commonly called the water silk, is a type of green algae. Is called so due to presence of a spiral chloroplasts. Spirogyra also reproduces sexually by fusion of similar sized gametes which do not have any flagella. They are not motile. Animal cells are suspended in a culture medium that contains excess glucose utilization under different growth conditions x y z in the graph indicate। तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा। x जो है anaerobic respiration, y introduction of O2 to the culture medium और z है aerobic respiration है। Respiration is the part of metabolic process where the nutrients are converted into useful energy for regular cell activity. It is in two mode depending on presence or absence of oxygen. Aerobic respiration is the one where oxygen is involved, and anaerobic respiration is the process where oxygen is absent. Animal cells are generally generally aerobic respirers and hence do not show any utilization of glucose at the start in region X. Due to need of energy, animal cells follow anaerobic respiration, but the energy count is low at just 280 per glucose molecule. At Y region, the cells receive oxygen, thus the production increases, causing upward curve, and Z the production is highest, marking the ongoing process of aerobic respiration। ये भी क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट था हमारा। फॉर फ्रूगिवोरस बर्ड्स एंड मैमल्स इन ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट continents, the slope of species area relationship is found to be approximately answer C 1.15। In Eli Lilly's method of insulin production, which of the following is correct? Answer A. Answer B. A peptide and B peptide were produced from different host cells. Which of the following is a one-way flow rather than a two-way of cyclic flow? Answer D. Free energy. Greenhouse gases are answer A. Absorbers of long-wave radiation from Earth. The deletion of chromosome number 16 results in answer B. Quantitative problem of RBC, that is thalassemia. When there is deletion of mutation in the chromosome number 16 results in thalassemia, wherein there is very low or nil production of the alpha globulins for making hemoglobins, making it a quantitative problem as compared to a sickle cell, which is quantitative issues for making faulty hemoglobin. In a famous experiment, a Weizmann cut off tails of a newborn mice generation after generation. At the end of the experiment, tails of mice neither disappeared nor shorter. This experiment answer D shows that Lamarck was wrong in his theory of inheritance of acquired characters. Which of the following is the correct pairing of characteristics about anther wall? Answer D. Hygroscopic nature, endothecium, innermost layer tapetum, or fibrous thickening of cellulose, endothecium. The technology of biogas production from cow dung was developed in India largely due to efforts of answer C. Indian Agricultural Research Institute and Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Given diagram showing a typical agarose gel electrophoresis showing migration of DNA fragments. The undigested DNA fragment will be present in the lane. Answer D1. The part of gene which codes for an enzyme is called answer A cistron. ये सब क्वेश्चन इजी है इसलिए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. जिन्हें देखना हो पॉज करके देख सकते हैं सॉल्यूशन. If a black man marries a white skinned female, the mu- mulattoes are born. If such mulattoes intermarry, the progeny will show a gradual gradation of skin color in the ratio of answer D 1 is to 6 is to 15 is to 20 is to 15 is to 6 is to 1. Polygenic inheritance is defined as characters which are determined by two or more gene pairs and they have additive or cumulative effect. Classic example is the human skin color, which is controlled by three pairs of genes. When a dark-skinned individual male and a white-skinned female have children, they will get alleles of both characters and are generally referred to as mulatto. All shades of colors can be expressed in the population like very dark, dark, fairly dark, intermediate, fairly light, light and very light respectively in the ratio 1 is to 6 is to 15 is to 20 is to 15 is to 6 is to 1. The formula of cabbage is answer B. Actinomorphic, bisexual, cal calyx 2 plus 2, corolla 4, androcium 2 plus 4 or ganoecium 2 fused. Cabbage is a leafy green plant also found in red and white color. The dense leaved heads of the plant are consumed as vegetable. It is closely related to broccoli and cauliflower. Cabbage belongs to the plant family Brassicaceae. The floral formula for this plant is this. Mustard is also included in this family. While isolating DNA from bacteria, which of the following enzyme is not used? Answer C. Deoxyribonuclease. Which of the following is correct about the given pedigree chart? Answer A. Inheritance of conditions like phenylketonuria as a autosomal recessive trait is correct about given pedigree chart. Pedigree analysis provides information regarding inheritance of particular traits or disease and using it we can predict the possibility of appearance of any traits in the new generation. In the given chart, both son and daughter have the recessive trait suggesting it to an autosomal inheritance and not sex linked. Hence, since it is not expressed in any of the parent but expressed in the children, the trait is recessive. A tetraploid female flowering plant and a hexaploid male flowering plant are crossed. Endosperm will be answer A. Heptaploid. Okay. डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन यूनिक करेक्टर यहाँ पे है observed in the angiosperm group of plants. In this two fertilizations are observed, first between the female and male gametic cells forming zygote and second in between the second male gamete and polar nuclei forming the primary endosperm nucleus. The ploidy of PEN is 3n male gamete n plus polar nuclei 2n. If the female plant is tetraploid, then polar nuclei will be tetraploid as well. The male plant is hexaploid, thus its male gamete will be triploid. Therefore, the ploidy level of endosperm will 4n plus 3n equal to 7n, यानी heptaploid. In wheat and rice, answer A. Pericarp is fused with seed coat क्योंकि वो मोनोकॉट है, मोनोकॉट सीड्स हैं. The fertilized mature ovary containing the embryo surrounded by a layer of hard coat is generally called as seed, while the ovary in the flowering plant develops into a fruit after fertilization. The flowering plant family Poaceae show the fruit pattern of Caryopsis, which is a simple dry fruit similar to an achene, but the pericarp layers of fruit part is fused with the seed coat forming a grain. Rice, wheat, and corn are classic examples showing such type of fruiting behavior. Which of the following group of plants exhibit more species diversity? Answer A. Angiosperms. About X recombinant therapeutics have been approved for human use world over. Out of Y are presently being marked in India. Answer 30 recombinants approved for humans in the world and 12 are presently being marked in India. Bacteria attacking the dead animals represents. Answer D. The end of fruit chain, the end of food chain and are decomposers. What type of gametes will be formed by genotype capital R small r capital Y small y? Answer will be A RY capital RY capital R small r capital Y or a small r small y. Gametes are formed by reductional division having half the chromosomal content of the parent cell. During the meiotic division, crossing over occurs resulting in the formation of new combination. For the given genotype capital R RY capital R small y, the resulting gametes will form capital R capital Y, capital R small r capital Y, small y, four types of gamete. Cross pollinating plants first produce offspring having variation among themselves, correct. Second reduces inbreeding depression, करेक्ट है. थर्ड फोर यहाँ पे कर रहा है रिजल्ट्स इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्योर लाइन होमोजाइगस ऑफस्प्रिंग, गलत है, वो होते हैं हमारे सेल्फ में. और हैविंग बायसेक्सुअल फ्लावर और हैव मोनोसिस कंडीशन, ये भी हमारा गलत होगा. वन और सेकंड जो है वो करेक्ट हैं. The most apparent change during the evolutionary history of Homo sapiens is stressed in answer D all of these, यानी remarkable increase in brain size, bipedal locomotion और shortening of jaws. ये सारे जो है वो remarkable हैं, apparent. The human evolution is the gradual process leading to the emergence of the modern humans. It is characterized by a number of changes in the morphology, physiology, behavior which has occurred since the split between the last common ancestor of human and chimpanzees. The most significant change observed in history of Homo sapiens is the increase in cranium capacity. Other changes include the bipedalism, lengthened ontogeny. Which of the following is not a property of genetic code? Non-overlapping, degeneracy, universal, ambiguous. Answer will be D. Ambiguous is not property of genetic code. Genetic code is a set of instructions which help cells to obtain the information in making proteins from the DNA. The work of Khurana and Nirenberg helped decipher the genetic code which is followed by all organisms in protein synthesis. The codes are always in triplet codon form, that sequence of three nitrogen bases. More than one codon can represent an amino acid, hence the code are considered to be degenerate. Although each code is specific to only one amino acid and they are non-ambiguous. These triplets are non-overlapping and without any punctuations. These genetic code is universal and same for all variants of organisms. For bacteria to fail, the start codon is AUG and the stop or terminator codons are UAA, UGA and UAG. Gauss competitive exclusion principle states that answers B, two closely related species competing for the same resources cannot coexist indefinitely and competitively. Inferior one will get eliminated eventually. From a single ear of corn, a farmer planted 200 kernels which produced 146 tall and 44 short plants. The genotypes of these offspring are most likely. Answer B, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t and a small t, a small t. The arrangement of the nuclei in a normal embryo sac in the dicot plants. Answer A, 3 plus 2 plus 3. ओके, तो ये सारे थे बायो क्वेश्चंस. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स है प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. अब आते हैं यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स पे. केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स के लिए आप प्लीज़ आरजी एकेडमी या फिर केमिस्ट्री के लिए आप BICS इंडिया जो है बसंत सर का चैनल, उस पर आप ज़रूर देख लें, तभी रिवाइज करने के बाद ही इस पे आए, क्योंकि रिविजन वीडियो पे ऐसे ही आप देखेंगे तो फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। तो इस क्योंकि इसमें हम केवल क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे और आंसर बताएंगे, और जो है सॉल्यूशन जो है आप शो कर देंगे, यहाँ पे आप पॉज करके आप देख सकते हैं। ओके, तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे केमिस्ट्री का स्लोप ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन ऑब्टेन्ड बाय प्लॉटिंग लॉग 10k अगेंस्ट 1/t रिप्रेजेंट्स विच टर्म? आंसर सी -a/2.303 r। Pick out the incorrect statement about glycolysis. Answer B. During glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate or lactate with generation of 38। एक मिनट, सही है। During glycolysis, glucose is converted into pyruvate or lactate with the generation of 38 molecules of ATP per molecule of glucose। बाकी A और C D सही है। It is anaerobic respiration. Glycolysis provides energy to those cells which live without oxygen, or it occurs in cytoplasm of the cell. For which of the following process will energy be absorbed? Answer D. Separating an electron from neutral atom. What type of intermolecular force exists between NH3 and C6H6? Answer will be C. Dipole induced dipole forces and dispersion forces. The ratio of coefficient of HNO3 FeNO3 whole twice and NH4NO3 in the following redox equation, FeHNO3 Fe plus HNO3 gives FeNO3 whole twice plus NH4NO3 plus H2O in the balance form will be, answer will be B, 10:4:1. List the hydrogen halide acids in decreasing order of reactivity in the following reaction. ROH plus HX gives RX plus H2. Answer will be A. HI gives HBr gives HCl gives HI is greater than HBr is greater than HCl greater than HF. Which of the following oxides is formed when potassium metal is burnt in excess of wear? Answer will be C, KO2. A compound has the formula C2HCl2Br. The number of non-identical structures that are possible is, answer C, 3. The molecule of which gas have highest speed? Answer A, H2 at -73 degrees Celsius. Consider the following carbocations. The correct sequence of increasing order of their stability is, सबसे ज़्यादा होगा स्टेबल 4, उसके बाद 3, देन 2, उसके बाद 1 होंगे। Acid hydrolysis of benzonitrile forms. Answer C, benzoic acid. Pick out the incorrect statement. Answer D. Paramagnetism of substance increases at elevated temperature. ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी A B C सही है। In ferromagnetic material, all the magnetic moments are aligned in the same direction. In antiferromagnetic material, magnetic moments are aligned in parallel and anti-parallel directions in equal members. और C है, in ferrimagnetism, magnetic moments are aligned in parallel and anti-parallel direction in unequal numbers. Pick out the incorrect statement for HI. Answer C. It does not decolorize acidified KMnO4. The final product Z is the following sequence of reactions. Answer C. Ethanamide. Which type of hybridization of Xc is involved in XCOF4 molecule? Answer C. sp3d2. The equilibrium constant at 25 degrees Celsius for the reaction is equal to 160 atm per atm. If the partial pressure of NOBr2 and NOBr in a flask at 25 degrees Celsius are 0.01, 0.1 and 0.04 atm respectively, it can be said that, answer A, there is equilibrium in the flask. Which one of the following mixtures is suitable for making a buffer solution with an optimum pH of 9.2 to 9.3? Answer will be B. In the compound, the C2C3 bond is type of, answer D, sp2, sp3. The type of isomerism exhibited by pentaamine nitrochromium third chloride is answer D. Linkage. Alkane can be prepared by answer D. All of these, yani at the action of Grignard agent with the water, the reduction of alkyl halide with H2 in presence of nickel, or the action of ethereal of alkyl halide with sodium metal. Delta HF naught of CO2, CO, N2O and NO2 in kilojoule are minus 392, minus 393, minus 110.81 and 34. Calculate the delta H in kilojoule of the following reaction. Answer will be C, minus 836. Which of the following reactions does not involve oxidation reduction? Answer D. Among LiCl, BCl2, BCl3 and CCl4, the covalent bond character follows the order. Answer C. सबसे ज़्यादा CCl4, उसके बाद BCl3, then BCl2, उसके बाद LiCl. The maximum number of electrons with n equal to 3 and L equal to 3 is answer D, 0. V2O5 is red or orange in color. It is an answer C, amphoteric oxide. 100 ml of liquid A was mixed with 25 ml of liquid B to give a non-ideal solution of AB mixture showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. The volume of the mixture would be answer C, close to 125 ml but not exceeding 125 ml. 1 ml of an organic compound was dissolved in ethanol and a very small drop of dilute alkali was added to it, and then a drop of phenolphthalein was added. The red color of the indicator was seen. The mixture was then heated. The color disappeared in a few minutes. The organic compound is most likely to be answer D, an ester. Which of the following does not respond to iodoform reaction? Answer C. A mixture of 2 mole of carbon monoxide and 1 mole of oxygen in a closed vessel is ignited to get carbon dioxide. Then answer B, delta E is greater than delta H. The reaction answer C. इसमें जो है इस रिएक्शन को क्या बोलते हैं, ठीक है, तो आंसर बोल इसका was C, गैब्रियल थैलामाइड सिंथेसिस. Which statement is true in regard to a spontaneous redox reaction? Answer B, each cell is always positive. Which of the following aqueous solution will have pH less than 7.0? Answer C, FeCl3. When a sulfur sol is evaporated, sulfur is obtained. On mixing with water, sulfur sol is not formed. The sol is answer C, hydrophobic. Which among the following is a peptide linkage? Answer A. The color of the colloidal particles of gold obtained by different methods differ because of answer D, different diameters of colloidal particles. If initial concentration is doubled, the half-life period of reaction is also doubled. The order of reaction is answer A, 0. Which of the following gives pH 3 on treatment with water? Answer D, all of these. Compare the boiling points of आंसर बी सबसे ज़्यादा 2 होगा, यानी कि एन ब्यूटाइल अल्कोहल, देन 1 एन ब्यूटाइल अमाइन, उसके बाद 3 यानी पेंटेन. फेरोसिन इज आंसर ए, Fe eta to the power of 5 C5H5 whole twice. The reaction of CO plus HCl in the presence of LCl3 with benzene to form benzaldehyde is called answer C, Gutterman's-Koch reaction. The electronic configuration of an element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. What is the atomic number of element which is just below the above element in the periodic table? Answer A, 33. The radius of an atom is 100 pm. If this element crystallizes in FCC lattice, the age length of unit cell is answer C 141.4 picometer. Maximum number of active hydrogen are present in answer D glycerol. The pair of structure given below is answer B conformational diastereomers. Which series of elements have nearly the same atomic radii? Answer A फेकोनी FeConi. ओके, तो ये सारे थे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस। डिटेल वीडियो केमिस्ट्री के लिए आप BRCS इंडिया या फिर RG एकेडमी पे देख सकते हैं, या फिर KPS चौहान केमिस्ट्री पे डिटेल वीडियो देख सकते हैं। आते हैं यहाँ पे बायो पे। वीडियो लाइक नहीं की हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना। जितने व्यूज आए प्लीज़ उतने लाइक्स जरूर करना, कम से कम आधे तो कर सकते हो। अभी देखो कितने वीडियो लाइक्स हैं, अगर कम है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना। ओके, और फिजिक्स के लिए आप है सिद्धार्थ सर हेल्पिंग हैंड चैनल देख सकते हैं, या फिर RG एकेडमी भी देख सकते हैं फिजिक्स के डिटेल सॉल्यूशन के लिए। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन रीड करेंगे और आंसर करेंगे, और जो सॉल्यूशन है वो शो करेंगे। उसके लिए आप पॉज करके देख सकते हैं सॉल्यूशन। द एज ऑफ द वुड इज ओनली 1/16 पार्ट ऑफ द ओरिजिनल C14 इज प्रेजेंट इन इट्स स्पीसीज इज आंसर C22320 years. The wavelengths involved in the spectrum of deuterium D12 are slightly different from the hydrogen spectrum because answer C mass of the two nuclei are different. A bomb of mass 30 kg at rest exploded in two pieces of masses 18 and 12. The velocity of 18 mass is 6 meter per second. The kinetic energy of the other mass is answer B 486 joule. A machine gun fires a bullet of mass 40 gram with a velocity 1200 meters per second. The man holding it can exert a maximum force of 144 Newton on the gun. How many bullets can he fire per second at the most? Answer C3. A simple pendulum is oscillating without damping. When the displacement of the bob is less than the maximum, its acceleration vector A is correctly shown in. Answer will be C. A particle P is moving in a circle of the radius r with a uniform speed v. C is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. The angular velocity of P about A and C in the ratio answers B 1:2. 6 equal resistance are connected between point P, Q and R as shown in the figure. Then the resistance will be maximum between answer A, P and Q. A galvanometer of resistance 28.8 ohm measures 1 ampere. How much shunt should be used so that it can be used to measure 20 ampere? Answer C 1.2 ohm. The ratio of the magnetic field at the center of current carrying circular coil to its magnetic moment is X. If the current and radius each of them are made 3 times, the new ratio will become answer D X by 27. In an LCR circuit, the capacitance is made 1/4 when in resonance. What should be the change in inductance so that the circuit remains in resonance? Answer A 4 times. In if each capacitor has capacitance C, then equivalent capacitance between A and B is answer B 8C by 3. A uniform electric field pointing in positive x direction exists in a region. Let A be the origin, B be the point on the x-axis at x is equal to plus 1 centimeter, and C be the point on the y-axis at y equal to plus 1 centimeter. Then the potentials at the point A, B and C satisfy the condition. Answer B, V is greater than VB. The semi-major axis of the orbit of Saturn is about approximately 9 times that of Earth. The time period of revolution of Saturn is approximately equal to answer B 27 years. A spring balance A and a beam balance B are used to weigh the same object at a place on the equator and a place on the pole of the earth. Then answer B, readings of A will be different from those of B will be same at both the places. When an ideal diatomic gas is heated at constant pressure, the fraction of the heat energy supplied which increases the internal energy of the gas is answer D 5 by 7. A certain amount of an ideal gas is contained in a closed vessel. The vessel is moving with a constant velocity v. The molecular mass of gas m. The rise in temperature of the gas when the vessel is suddenly stopped is answer gamma equal to Cp by Cv. An ideal gas heat engine is operating between 227 degrees Celsius and 127 degrees Celsius. It absorbs 10 to the power 4 joule of heat at the higher temperature. The amount of heat converted into work is answer A 2000 joule. A coil in the shape of an equilateral triangle of side L is suspended between two pole pieces of a permanent magnet such that a magnetic field B is in the plane of the coil. If due to current I in triangle, a torque tau acts on it. The side L of the triangle is answer A 2 into tau to power tau to uh, tau by under root 3 bi to the power 1 by 2. The magnetic field B due to the current carrying a circular loop of radius 12 cm at its center is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. The magnetic field due to this loop at a point on the axis at a distance of 5 cm from the center. Answer A 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. The magnetic moment of electron due to orbital motion is proportional to n equal to principal quantum numbers. Answer D n. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel tracks with a uniform speed of 72 km per hour in the same direction. With ahead of B, the driver of B decides to overtake A and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. If after 50 seconds the guard of B just brushes past the driver of A, what was the original distance from distance between them? Answer D 2 1250 meter. A boy playing on the roof of a 10-meter high building throws a ball with a speed of 10 meter per second at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. The distance of the ball in the same horizontal plane of the point of throw is answer D 8.66 meter. Three blocks of masses M1, M2 and M3 are connected to a massless string on a frictionless table as shown in that figure. They are pulled with a force of 40 Newton. If M1 is equal to 10, M2 equal to 6 and M3 equal to 4 kg, then tension T2 will be answer B 20 Newton. A mass of 1 kg is suspended by a thread. It is first lifted up with acceleration 4.9 meter per second square, second lowered with an acceleration 4.9 meter per second square. The ratio of tension in first and second is answer A 3 is to 1. Using the following data, mass hydrogen atom equal to 1.00783 U, mass of neutron equal to 1.00867 U, mass of nitrogen atom N147 equal to 14.00307 U. The calculated value of the binding energy of the nucleus of the nitrogen atom N147 is close to answer C 104 mega electron volt. Cu-65 will turn into Cu-66 if it is bombarded with answer B neutrons. If a simple pendulum oscillates with an amplitude of 50 millimeter and time period of 2 seconds, then its maximum velocity is answer B 0.15 meter per second. A cylindrical tube open at both the ends has fundamental frequency n. If one of the ends is closed, the fundamental frequency will become answer A n by 2. The de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated to a potential of 400 volt is approximately answer D 0.06 nanometer. In the photoelectric emission process from a metal of work function 1.8 electron volt, the kinetic energy of most energetic electrons in 0.5 electron volt, the corresponding stopping potential is answer C 0.5 volt. Two mercury drops, each of radius r, merge to form a bigger drop. The surface energy of the bigger drop is, if T is the surface tension, is answer D 2 to the power 8 by 3 pi r square T. A U-shaped wire is dipped in a soap solution and removed. The thin soap film formed between the wire and the light slider supports a weight of 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. The length of the slider is 30 centimeter. What is the surface tension of the film? Answer D 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton per meter. Consider the shown glass slab having a thin biconvex cavity of air centered at O. A black spot of P will have image mu glass equal to 3 by 2. The radius of curvature of each surface of cavity equal to 10 centimeter. Answer will be D 3.75 centimeter on the left side of O. A ray of light is incident on a surface of glass slab at an angle 45 degree. If the lateral shift produced per unit thickness is 1 by under root 3, then the angle of refraction produced is answer B tan inverse 1 minus under root 2 by 3. A thin horizontal circular disc is rotating about a vertical axis, passing through its center. An insect is at rest at a point near the rim of the disc. The insect now moves along the diameter of the disc to reach its other end. During the journey of the insect, the angular speed of the disc, answer C, first increases and then decreases. The average value of rotational kinetic energy of 1 mole of oxygen gas at temperature T will be answer A RT. A common emitter transistor amplifier, beta equal to 60, R naught equal to 5000 ohm, and internal resistance of a transistor is 500 ohm. The voltage amplification of the amplifier will be answer C 600. 38. Currents flowing in each of the following circuits A and B respectively are answer C 4 ampere and 2 ampere. A brass wire 2 meter long at 27 degrees Celsius is held taut with negligible tension between two rigid supports. If the wire is cooled to a temperature of minus 33 degrees Celsius, then the tension developed in the wire, its diameter being 2 millimeter, will be answer will be C 0.34 kilonewton. Identify the pair whose dimensions are equal. Answer A. Torque and work. In a system of two polarizers, it is found that the intensity of light from the second polarizer is half from that of the first polarizer. The angle between their pass axis is answer will be D 45 degree. A two-slit Young's interference experiment is done with monochromatic light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. These slits are 2 millimeter apart. The fringes are observed on a screen placed 10 centimeter away from the slits. A transparent plate of thickness of 0.5 millimeter is placed in front of one of the slits. It is found that the interference pattern shifts by 5 millimeter. What is the refractive index of the transparent plate? Answer will be A 1.2. A closed pipe and an open pipe have their first overtone identical in frequency. Their lengths are in the ratio answer C 3:4. A progressive wave is represented by y equal to 12 sine 5t minus 4x centimeter. On this wave, how far away are the 2 points having a phase difference of 90 degree? Answer will be C pi centimeter. A bead of mass m can slide without friction on a fixed circular horizontal ring of radius 3r having a center at the point C. The bead is attached to one of the ends of spring with spring constant k. The natural length of a spring is r and the other end of the spring is fixed at point O as shown in the figure. If the bead is released from position A, then the kinetic energy of the bead when it reaches point B is answer C 8k r square. ओके तो ये सारे थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो क्वेश्चन टेस्ट नंबर 75 के ओके। तो वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और नए व्यूअर्स प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना। और एन टी ए मॉडल टेस्ट के सारे पीडीएफ अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं। और हमारा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है एन टी ए नीट एन सी आर टी बायोलॉजी, उस पर आप सब्सक्राइब करके सारे मॉक टेस्ट जो हैं टेस्ट नंबर 75, 74, 73 के मॉक टेस्ट डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं विथ आंसर की। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।